Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a cinematic reveal video using Google Veo 3 with just a simple JSON prompt. First, what's a JSON prompt? Basically, it's just a structured text format that tells the AI exactly what kind of video that you want. Just think of it as instructions written in code styles but super easy to use. For this tutorial, we're going to use Gemini AI to help us write the JSON prompt quickly, and we'll be using a custom gems. If you don't know how to make one, I have already made a tutorial, just check the link in the description. Okay, once your gem is ready, just open it and then type something like this. Create a JSON from video generator for VO3 and then just type your idea for a cinematic reveal video and make sure you describe the video clearly. For example, I asked Gemini to make a container refill that transforms into a city like this. But of course, you can create any cinematic reveals that you want, and the details are totally up to your imaginations. Then after you get your JSON prompt, just copy it and then just go to Google Veo and then just paste the prompt in here and then just generate your video. And after that, you will get a smooth, detailed cinematic video in just a few steps. And here's I have already example of the one that I made. Let's play the video. Like this. You can notice how the transition feels seamless and the reveals looks dramatic and professional. It's pretty cool, right? And okay, that's how you can easily create a cinematic reveal videos using VO3 and JSON prompt. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!